video we're gonna do is a truck with this time with Legos. So today we're gonna attach it here today, and we're gonna do everything today. And it's everything to do today, and this is gonna be so fun toy. And this is so fun to do. You put like this, and then touch this to the back, and then play. And then what we're gonna do is take off this, take this off, like this. And this is the key. Then we're gonna do like this. And he's also gonna do his great stuff to do. And then also it's gonna do his Legos.com today. And this is gonna be so hard to build, but it's so easy. Just take off this. It's so easy to take off. It's pretty easy, and it's cool. And also we're going to do is play with play. I've done the video.